Hey, everyone, welcome back to channel name. Today, we're diving into the ultimate comfort food debate. Is meatloaf the best comfort food ever? We're talking juicy, flavorful, and packed with nostalgia. Let's get cooking and find out. A great meatloaf starts with simple ingredients: ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs, onions, and a blend of savory spices. And of course, the signature ketchup glaze that makes it irresistible. Mixing everything together is key. You want to combine all those flavors without overworking the meat. That's how you get a tender, juicy meatloaf. Into the oven it goes. While it bakes, let's talk about what makes meatloaf so special. It's comforting, it's nostalgic, and it pairs perfectly with mashed potatoes and green beans. Look at this beauty, perfectly glazed and smelling absolutely incredible. Let's slice into it and do the ultimate taste test. The flavors, the texture, this is pure comfort on a plate. The glaze adds the perfect touch of sweetness to balance the savory goodness. Let's see what you all think. Username says, meatloaf is my go-to comfort food. And username 2 adds, nothing beats homemade meatloaf with mashed potatoes. Keep those comments coming. So, is meatloaf the best comfort food ever? It definitely checks all the boxes: hearty, flavorful, and full of nostalgia. But I want to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.